everybody, Miss Laycock here with another CLIC session for you. You will just need a pencil or pen and any kind of scrap paper. So we're going to head and warm up. If you just open another YouTube tab and type in Jack Hartman workout and count, and this one will come up. That's the full title, but it's quite a mouthful. But just type workout and count in and it will come up for you. So enjoy working out and come back to me once you are ready. Okay, like yesterday guys, we're going to count up in multiples of 5 all the way to 100. If you would like an extra challenge and go to 200 or even 300, go for it. So let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Well done. Okay, pick up those pencils or pens. Can you write down the next 5 multiples of 5, starting at 50? Pause the video and off you go. Okay, did you get 55, 60, 65, 70 and 75? So it's learn it time. So we'll go through one learn at a time, recap which method or methods you might want to use, and then if you pause the video and then you can go and solve it and then come back to me and we will reveal the answer together. First one, multiplication, 8 times 5. So we can count in 5s really, really well, and you can either put 8 fingers up or count in 5s 8 times. So off you go. Okay, so I've only got 5 fingers spare, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 5 fingers and then 3 more to make 8 while we're counting in 5s. So count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 8 times 5 is 40. Next one, 30 add 80. So you might want to use your tens knowledge and count up in tens, starting with, remember, the largest number. Or you might want to use, where's my fingers? There we are. Your learn it's first, so cover up the zeros and solve the learn it first. 3 add 8, then add on your 0. Okay, off you go. So if you use the learn it first, you should have something that looks like this. Solving the learn it first, so 3 add 8 equals 11, so 30 add 80 equals 110. The trick with getting this number correctly, pop your answer down first, then add on your missing 0. Okay, so you should all have 110. And next one, we have 10 add 11. Did I hear you say you're going to find the smaller double? Yay, that's right. Find the smaller double and add 1. Off you go. Okay, so you should have found the smaller double, which is 10 add 10. So 10 add 10 equals 20. Don't forget to add 1 more to make up to the 11, which is 21. So 10 add 11 equals 21. Well done. Okay, using our greater than and less than symbols. So remember, Charlie Crocodile likes to munch on the largest number. So can you write these two sets of numbers? 54, space in the middle, and then 72, and then 25, space in the middle, and then 23. Where are you going to put your symbol? Which way is it going to face? Off you go. Okay, let's have a look at the first one. 54 and 72. So, did I hear you say 72 is the largest number? Brilliant. So your symbol should be facing 72 like that, so it can gobble it all up. Well done. Next one. Quite close numbers here, 25 and 23. But hopefully you've spotted that 25 was the largest number, so your symbol should be facing the 25 like that. Well done. Okay, next one. Ooh. Who can remember what to do here? I feel like I'm talking to myself here. So, we've got a 2-digit number adding just a 1-digit number. Now, do you notice these two ones they don't add up to any more than 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to partition the tens number and then just add the ones together, okay? So I'm going to do it on the paper because I can't write on the screen. So here's our two-digit number. So we're going to partition this number. So how many tens in 42? 4 tens, which equals 40, so that is worth 40. So now the easiest bit. Make sure you smiley face your ones and you are just going to add them together. So 6 add 2 equals 8. Well done. Okay, perfect. But now we're not finished because we need to do the final stage. Final stage is always putting our number back together. So we've got 40, add 8. So what's 40 and 8 is 48. So now you can, oh, there's a pencil, 48. Okay, well done. Right then, let's recap on time. So we were looking at quarter past yesterday, remember? So quarter past, which is the same as 15 minutes past, always points at the 3. So when it's pointing, minute hand is pointing at the 3, it's 15 minutes past. So keep that in your noggins. And then let's do this one. Looking at this clock, can you write this time down on your digital clock? So using digits. Off you go. Okay, what time is it then? Did I hear you say 2:15? So 2:15. So you should have your 2 dots in the middle. 15 minutes is on the right and the hour of 2 is on the left. Well done. Money, money, money. Okay, money question here. Nice clue. Is the answer is going to be over £1. So you'll need to put your pound symbol down first. Okay, so I will just zoom in. There are the coins to add up. Off you go. Right then, if you spotted these two here are 50p's. And we know 50 add 50 equals 100, 100p, which is the same as £1. So we've got £1 there. But that's not the only coin. We have a little lone one down here, and we've got 10p. So £1 and 10 pence. So let's see how you wrote it. Did you write it like? So make sure you've got your pound symbol first. So £1, put your decimal place, and then 10 pence. Remember, no p at the end because you've got your pound sign. So £1 and 10 pence was there. So recap fractions now. I did this one yesterday. Let's see if you can remember it. So we're looking at this circle. How many are coloured green? Write it as a fraction. Off you go. Okay, did you get 2/3? So you should have written it like this. 2/3. 2 line 3. So because 2 parts of the circle were shaded out of the 3. And let's go back to finding fractions of numbers. So yesterday I showed you how to draw the circle. Let's see if you remember today. The question is, can you find 2/3 of 12? 2/3 of 12. So draw your circle out and have a go. Okay, if you remembered to draw your circle out, pop the dot in the middle because we're splitting it up into thirds. Take the line up to the top, doesn't matter if it's wiggly, remember, and then put his legs out either side. Okay, so we've got a circle split up roughly into thirds. Now remember, you are sharing out 12. 12. So let's get sharing accurately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they've all been shared out. Remember, our question was, what's 2/3 of 12? So in 1/3 we have 4. So in 2/3 we have, did I hear you say 8? Woohoo! I hope I did. So 2/3 of 12 is, oh, if I can write it, 8. And that is your CLIC session over for today. So well done, Year 2, or anyone else who did it along with us. Have a lovely day. Bye.